Bangladesh has a long-standing and strong development partnership with Japan, particularly in infrastructure, through agencies like the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. To secure more Japanese cooperation in the future, Bangladesh can adopt several strategic approaches. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. Strengthen long-term strategic partnerships. Japan prefers stable, long-term and well-planned partnerships. Bangladesh can present multi-year infrastructure plans covering roads, railways, ports, energy and urban development. Having a clear, transparent roadmap demonstrates reliability and attracts more Japanese assistance. Example, expanding on projects like the Dhaka Metro Rail and Matarbari deep sea port with multi-phase development plans. 2. Ensure transparency and efficient project management. Japan values transparency and accountability. Delays, corruption, or weak management can discourage support. Bangladesh should focus on timely project implementation, clear reporting, and proper monitoring systems. Demonstrating efficiency builds trust and encourages more Japanese investment and technical support. 3. Develop special economic and industrial zones. Japan often invests in countries with dedicated economic zones. Expanding zones like Arihazar Japanese Economic Zone, Narayanganj, can attract more Japanese companies. These zones can provide infrastructure-ready areas for industries, making investments safer and more profitable. 4. Incorporate Japanese technology and investment in key projects. Infrastructure projects with Japanese engineering, technology, or financing are highly valued. Examples include high-speed rail and urban mass transit systems, deep-sea ports and shipping facilities, power plants and renewable energy facilities. Using Japanese technology ensures high-quality, long-lasting projects, increasing Japan's willingness to cooperate further. 5. Enhance skilled human resources. Japan prefers partnering with countries that have trained personnel. Bangladesh can invest in training engineers, project managers, and urban planners in collaboration with Japanese institutions. Skilled local teams reduce implementation risks, making Japan more willing to support future projects. 6. Promote green and sustainable infrastructure. Japan emphasizes sustainability and environmental friendliness. Projects that focus on renewable energy, energy efficiency, smart cities, and climate-resilient infrastructure are more likely to attract cooperation. Example, solar and wind energy projects, flood-resilient urban planning. 7. Strengthen diplomatic and economic engagement. High-level visits, trade and infrastructure forums, and continuous dialogue strengthen trust. Regular bilateral meetings, joint economic commissions, and cooperation workshops make Japan more confident in funding large-scale infrastructure projects. 8. Offer co-financing and public-private partnership opportunities. Japanese investors like when risks are shared. Bangladesh can design PPP models where the government and private sector jointly invest, sometimes alongside Japanese funding. This encourages Japanese firms to bring in technology and capital. Key outcome. By focusing on transparency, efficiency, long-term planning, skilled human resources, sustainable development, and active diplomatic engagement, Bangladesh can secure larger-scale, long-term Japanese cooperation in infrastructure. This will accelerate economic growth, industrial development, and international trade capacity. If you want, I can create a